Yo, way! It's your boy Struggle Captain, your one and only small boy in the JH6 500 horsepower. So today, guys, we are out here in the Platinum Province where we are in the farm and we are loading straight in the field. This is what we call harvesting time. Yes, it's harvesting time. So right now we have current 3 combined harvesters in the field running down, up and down. Yes, harvesting. Yes, I'm not sure of this product, but it looks like barley. Looks like barley. Yeah, it looks like barley. This is the product what we are harvesting right now, and we are out here with your JH6 500 horsepower. We are loaded. I don't want to lie, guys. When I arrived here, everything was completely fast, like Fast and Furious. If you ever watched the movie, yeah, and we are loaded like this. This is the current state of the load, and this is the current state of the 6 meter, the current state of the 12 meter. So when we are talking about a super link of your boy Struggle Captain, we're talking about a complete combination of a 6 meter trailer and a 12 meter trailer. Let's go down. Yeah, let's go down. Okay, so as we are loaded right now, guys, in the field, we have a challenging issue of getting stuck in the mud. So right now, let's go. Let me show you. Already my colleague wants to start it, but it can't go, you know. Let's go. I'm instructed also to get my truck, so let's go. So as I'm instructed to reverse, to go with my truck also. Let me start with my truck. Look where I'm going. Let me start with my truck. So we are in the field, guys. This is the challenge, and this is the most challenging thing we face when we come to loading places like this. So let's look into the depth of the wheel, guys. Look at this. And we are already having a tire damage right here. Oh my god. And this ground is very soft, and it's a little bit wet. That's why the wheels are quickly sinking down into the ground, and it's very challenging that we are already stuck while we are just on the same position we have loaded. This is the left side of the passenger side of our JH6 500 horsepower. Let's come on to the right hand side and see what's going on, guys. Like, look guys, the depth of the wheel. The wheel is already about to be covered, like completely covered right here, guys, getting sunk into the ground. And I don't know, our Chevrolet, it's already on the ground. It's already touching the ground. As you can see, guys, it's already touching the ground. This is a serious consequence that we are in ourselves, and our trailer is just right there, guys. The reason why you find this trailer is not getting sunk into the ground is because they are not turning. They are just being pushed. I mean they're just being pushed as they are turning, you know. And why are they going to be sinking? You'll be wondering, why does it have to be sinking right there, sinking right there? I mean, sorry my people, sorry, it's not sinking, it's sinking. Why is it sinking right here? Because these tires, they're the ones with the motion power, the force of pull force, the pulling force, and as they are going to be having pulling force, they'll be trying to grab a grip. As they're going to try to grab a grip, they're already down to you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's the situation. And our JA6 500 horsepower is no longer level. As you can see it, this diff, it's already lower than the front cap. It's like this. So yeah, this is what is currently happening. And the bad part of this, such a load doesn't pay much, and it doesn't go for long kilometers. And the advantage is only that we load more than legal, because we're going to drive from this field and up to the we're going to drive up until the storage facility, then we offload. That's the advantage. So you realize if it's paying maybe 100 rand per kilometer, you realize if a normal tonnage, if you are carrying something of a normal tonnage, which is 34 tons, you said 34 tons multiplied by 100, you get it as 3,400. But just because you have more than what is legal, then you'll find out that it's more. You understand? So right now, guys, it's a terrible situation. I don't wanna lie, a very, very, very terrible situation. So as we are stuck like this, what? I'm just noticing something right now. I'm just noticing right now. We have lost a nut right here. We have lost a nut right here. I think it's due to vibration. It ends up being screwed, being loose. But anyway, we are in this terrible situation, and we are going to win anytime soon, because we are going to get assistance, because our colleague, they have already got assistance. He was standing just right here. Look where he is right now. He's already over there. So we got accessories which comes with the truck, but it comes with the truck when it's a brand new. Unfortunately, if you are buying it second hand, I don't know if they provide wherever the dealer or the one you'll be buying from. So the accessory, one of the accessories is this one, pulling hinge. I don't know what you call it, the correct name, but it's a pulling hinge. So right now what I have done is that I removed this cover. After removing this cover, there is where I screw this hinge. Even right there, I can put another hinge, but this truck comes with only one hinge, so there's no need for me to open right here. So we are going to wait for the farmer to come with the tractor. Then you're going to hook with the chain right here while the tractor is standing right there. Then they are going to pull out of the way. So let us just wait. Over there already they managed to pull him, and they thought he's out, he's going, but unfortunately he is not yet out. They still have to go all the way with him. So we are just gonna wait for the farmer to come back. Now is the time to get pulled. it's very challenging, guys, working in the farms. I don't wanna lie, it's an option that I will never opt out. Right now you've seen it, they were about to pull my truck. It's all about language when you come to load this side. So these guys, they communicate in Afrikaans. Yes, I don't understand Afrikaans. I don't know what is difficult for someone just to grab a hook and hook it onto my truck. Okay, I get to hear their signs. I go out of the truck. I get to hook my own truck. Then after hooking, they just leave. They just off hook again, like playing like kids. I don't understand. They off hook again. They leave. They ignore. They go and to help another one. I don't know, how do they think? They feel like I don't need help, or the help is not necessary for me, or they need to assist someone. I don't know. It's actually bad. It's been, I don't know, but the arrival time of me, it was yesterday 2 p.m. That was Sunday. Today it's Monday. It's already 4 p.m. I'm still here, just waiting to load. And remember, if it was a cross border, my trailers take 40 minutes to be full. Then it will take up until 1 hour for me to secure the load, to properly close the tarpaulin. Then I'm going. So it's actually challenges that we face when we are in the working environment, working space. This is whereby you end up having drivers being selective about loads. It's not about they just want a long distance. They know long distance, it favors every driver equally. Long distance loading and offloading points, they are very and well organized, and their treatment to drivers is very equal. They don't have time for selection. They don't have time for judging on behavior, attitude, whatever this thing might be happening. Right now I'm hate by this, but there is nothing that I can do other than just keeping quiet and see. Yes, you might be asking yourself a story.
Gonna try that one again.
Yeah, but I don't understand Afrikaans, man. I don't know what's happening. They came and hooked my truck, then they left. They off hook, then they went. But by the progress, by the looks of the things, it looks like they're going to pull that truck.
They're gonna try.
Yeah.
Because this morning that tractor couldn't get it out.
I was there. For that truck to be like that, they were pulling it. It moved a little bit.
Yeah, they must pull it right around, ne? Where is it gonna turn?
Yeah, I guess they should go right round this field, right?
You're gonna have to take it right around.
I think they were waiting for maybe this land to dry a little bit.
That guy is gonna sleep.
Yeah, looks like that.
But the rain is coming again.
No.
There's a break in front.
No. The tractor is even going down.
That tractor is not gonna get it out.
No.
They're gonna have to get the excavator. Bulldozer.
Yeah.
Or that one with the tracks. Big tractor. Tractor with the tracks will get it out. Now as I can see it, they're gonna fuck that truck up. Because that truck is going nowhere. Not even moving.
It looks like they're swerving it sideways now.
Yeah.
So guys, we have been finally taken out where we were stuck in the field. Very annoying, very disturbing. I ended up being interrupted. It was more of stressful, but then we have been pulled out. Now we are back on the track, but still yet the war is still yet to be continued. The struggle is still yet to be continued. We are now being escorted to the road where we're gonna navigate ourselves to the offloading point, which is the storage facility. And at any time we might get stuck also again. So we'll take it very cautiously and slow, minding ahead what's happening. This is the right time to take advantage of the horsepower of our 500 horsepower JH6 to pull on this bad mud gravel road so that we won't get stuck. After we are being escorted to the road, we're still gonna yet to drive another 10 kilometers on that gravel towards the tar road. We are following that white buggy. That is the one escorting us. What a sharp curve. Wow. When you are driving on the gravel, it needs you to basically study what is really required, either momentum or to grab your lowest gear, and make sure you keep the idling or your revving counts very high, on an average high, and make sure that you are equipped with horsepower so that you won't get stuck. Because at some point speed might not work for you to give you momentum, because you might end up losing the grip and end up jackknifing. So that's the moment you need the lowest gears and grab high revs and keep it at constant, but with the much higher horsepower being supplied, you know. Thank you for the escort finally going out of this field. Thank you. Your boy is going out now. Much of the stress is done. Now we are going to travel 10 kilometers towards the tar road. Wow, very happy at this moment. I'm very happy at this moment. I'm very happy actually, because it's now my time to move. It's now my time to move. But since we have loaded, let's do this one quickly. Since we have loaded, okay. Since we have loaded, we need to check I can't see my arm. I don't know what happened, but anyway, this can still work. Since we have loaded, guys, you know what we need to do? We just need to do like this. This is wrong. We should have a rubber hammer. This is the reason why I'm hitting these doors. You see? This is the reason. This is the reason. Okay, stop. Stop. Now I need to stop. You need to stop right there, boss. But our trailer is not that bad. This trailer is not that bad, guys, because we only have 2 points. It's not actually bad. We only have 2 points. So we should have a rubber hammer that we can hit the doors. When you hit with a rubber hammer, it becomes very something which is very efficient to that. It sends the impact on this door. As it sends the impact, it also leaves the door unmarked or unscratched. So right now, where is it leaking? Right here. What are we going to do? We're going to take this fuel foam. It's called fuel foam. Yes, going to take it. We grab this pipe. We grab it like this. This one is a new bottle. I haven't used it. We grab a glove like this. After we grab a glove, we do like this. This is taking accountability and responsibility of the load. It's not all about securing the load just after loading. It's loading, securing, and taking responsibility and accountability on the road. We don't want to have any leak, so we're gonna do like this. Come on. It shouldn't do like this. It should at least start releasing the foam. Let's see what is happening. What could be the cause? No, come on. Okay, let me remove this glove. Let me remove. Okay guys, it's closed right here. It's closed right here. And this place, we are always advised to be careful at all time, at all cost, because it's associated with snakes. Yes, so we must be always and always be careful about this environment. So let's go back and try again, guys. Let's go back and try again. Okay, this is our glove. Then let's try again. Okay, cool. You see now, it's working. Let's go. Okay, that's the reason why we have our glove. You see now, it's working. Okay, it's working now. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go again. Let's go. Let's go. Nice one. Let's go. Nice one. Let's also do like this one right here. Nice one. Way again, way again, way again here. Okay, right here again. Okay. Right here again. Okay. Okay. Right here again. Right here again. Okay. Awesome. So guys, we have finally secured that we're no longer gonna have a leak on our trailer. This is your boy Struggle Captain. This is how I do my accountability. This is how I take responsibility. Let's take our stone again and do the same. No more. Okay, right here it shows like it's still fighting. Let's put in right here. Yes, right there. Right, looks like it wants to fight, so we'll fight it. This one. Okay. Okay, so this is perfect, guys. Our load is secured. We are ready to farmush. We are ready to reduce the kilometers. But before that we reduce the kilometers, we need now to also secure a good smell of the operator of the JA6 by simply what? By bathing. Here it's in the bushes, guys. So let me show you. Right there, we already have our bucket filled with water. So what's going to happen is that we will now wash the body of the operator, then we start reducing, so that we also clear the emotions that we have of being sad angry, nervous. Yes. So right now, you know what I need to do? After using this bottle, we're still gonna use it sometime in future. So we have to clean it like this. We have to clean it so that in future this thing won't block the way like it was already doing. So we need to clean it like this. Yeah, I think it's clean now. It's clean now. We also need to do this. This pipe and this thing can separate. So after they separate, you have to clean here. This is how you secure it, so that next time you have something to use again. You'll never get stuck, you'll never go wrong. Okay, come on, go out, guys. We don't want you to block the way. It's like you're cleaning your ear by doing this. Oh, come on, why not? Go out, brother. Oh no, man, my stick is about to finish with this thing which doesn't want to go out. Okay, this one and this one is clean. Let's put it down like that. We now need to clean this one now. Clean it. Clean it. Let's grab this one. Let's do like this. Oh no, what's happening now? You need to clean it. So by doing this, guys, it's reusable. We have to now to keep it on a safe place. Let's grab it and put it back into our truck. Before we forget, let's throw this stone away. And our bottle, to always secure it, we have to close it always. Everything in order. Everything in order. Awisam, let's go and bath.